So somewhere on the side of this hill up here is where we're heading to find this elusive cabin that we're searching for. As expected, we had to blaze a little bit of our own trail, but we made it here. So it looks like back here, there's no more rock, so they've just boarded up some wood there. This is pretty cool. We're not really sure who made it or why. I'm sure I could do some research online and find out, but it's got concrete floors and a working door and window. But that's really about it. There's not a whole lot else in here. It does have this somewhat of a deck out here, which is kind of interesting. It looks like at one point they maybe had a wood stove in there. So we're just hanging out. We're gonna check it out for a while and kind of explore the area a little bit and see what's going on. Looks like Forrest is gonna try to get on top of it. See, try to put his climbing skills to use. This is the back side from outside, where all those wood panels are that they've stacked up. There's Forrest, just chilling on top.
Nathan's gonna attempt to get up here and see. Oh, he's a natural. Tommy Caldwell in the making. Look at that mantle. Thing of beauty. And he's up, folks.
You ready?
Yep. It's already filming. See what he's got. Super tall, he's got this.
Super tall, he's got this.
There you go. Yeah, just trust that foot, that left foot over there. Easy money. There you go, yeah. Now grab that, that big rock with your right hand. There you go. Yep. Boom, easy money. It's a tall guy over here.
Just like it's nothing. Look at this, we got our own parking spot up here. Got a nice deck to chill out on and eat dinner. And I impressed myself with this prime parking. Thanks to Forrest for helping me back up there. Forrest forgot his can opener.
Dude,
for his can of tuna.
This is why you don't buy. This is why you don't bring cans of tuna to the backcountry. You always get the packages of tuna.
That's right.
We're bringing a can opener here today.
So he's got some water going for some beans. I'm gonna try out my new stove that I just picked up for backpacking this year, plus a little pad thai. We'll see how that is. So we're just gonna hang out till the sun sets, watch that, and maybe go find a place to camp, or we might just chill out here. Don't know yet.
Where's that hammer?
Hammer's right here.
I need a sturdier surface.
Here, put it back up here.
Oh gosh, that's tuna juice everywhere, dude. Let's see. Oh, let's do this instead.
Drain it. We both have can openers in our hiking bags, but didn't bring either one of them, unfortunately.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna smell like tuna the rest of the night. I hope there's no bears out. No, but there's freaking cats, dude, and they love tuna fish.
Just one more reason to carry a bunch of random tools in your car at all times, because you never know when you're gonna need to open a can of tuna. Getting it? I think we made a good call moving over to this ridge, to this view. Couldn't have asked for a better sunset. I think it was well worth the walk over to where we went. So we're making our way back to the rock, where we're gonna post up for the night. See how it goes. It's only supposed to dip down into the 40s, but they said a real feel of maybe 30. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't get too cold. Here's what camp setup looks like. Got a light hanging here, a headlamp. Then our two sleeping bags and pads underneath. So the idea of sleeping in the rock here tonight is hopefully it'll keep us out of the wind, or it will keep us out of the wind. And two, it hopefully keeps us a little warmer inside of here. Definitely warmer in here than it is outside already. And how many times you get to sleep in a rock, so it's kind of cool. So I think we're just gonna hang out, maybe try to catch some stars tonight. So we'll catch you guys in the morning. We survived the night in the rock. Wasn't too bad. Stayed pretty warm, I thought. Definitely a good call staying out of the wind because it got pretty windy last night.
It was a good night. Good night's rest.
Yeah, wasn't bad.
No cats, that was good.
Yeah, no mountain lions. think we're gonna pack up and take off. See what the journey back brings us. You gonna help me get out of this little bit of a precarious situation?
Yay or nay? Yay, you got that all day. Yep. Like clockwork, baby. Easy money.
So the highway's on the other side of this mountain, and instead of going all the way back down to town and back around, we're gonna try to find a dirt road that goes up over the mountain and takes us right to the highway. See how it goes.
Hopefully it doesn't get too spicy, but we'll see what happens.
We'll see what happens. So hopefully this road that we're on now takes us back to the highway. At least that's what it looks like in the maps. But we'll see. So way out there at the bottom of that canyon is where we're heading. I'd say based on the map we're probably about halfway there. And it looks like the road is hopefully gonna get easier. So here we go! Looks like we've come to a little bit of a T in the road. Let's see what the map says here. Looks like we gotta go left. So left it is.
So we're going right.
Well, we made it back to the interstate. We're gonna head back to Salt Lake. It's probably a 2.5 to 3 hour drive. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with highway footage. So it's gonna do it for this video. Give Forrest some love down in the comments. He's a good guy. We'll probably see a lot more of him in the upcoming videos this year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
See ya.